One of the great things about the Vitamix is that it's an amazing tool for making delicious, healthy soups. You can use the soup program to make a hot soup, or you can do what I'm going to do today, blend a chilled, delicious summer soup. This is one of my favorites. I lived in Spain for a number of years and fell in love with gazpacho, but what I like to do is add in some watermelon that gives it a little more brightness and freshness. So I'm going to start by adding in my diced watermelon, clove of garlic. Next thing we're going to do is our tomatoes. The great thing about the Vitamix is you don't have to cut them very much. So I'm just going to take the core out and cut the tomatoes in quarters just so they fit in nicely. So next I've got some cucumber. This has been peeled and seeded. And then last but not least, some seeded bell pepper. And then I've got some champagne vinegar, salt and pepper, just like that. And then I'm going to put the lid on. I'll put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking out the lid plug so that we've got access to things inside. Going to put the tamper in. I'm going to turn it on and go right up to 10. Drop it down to 2, and I'm going to drizzle in the olive oil. We've got our gazpacho here. Just going to pour this in the bowl. Oh, it looks good. I'm going to add a little bit of lobster salad with avocado, more fresh watermelon, get a little texture as you're eating it. These are Marcona almonds, toasted. They're really so good. So I've got some that are just chopped up, and some fresh herbs for brightness, a little basil, and a little bit of tarragon. And I'll finish it with some extra virgin olive oil. This is like liquid gold. Perfect. So that's all there is to it. Super simple. I made all of this using the 64-ounce container. If you go to Vitamix, you can see a ton of other container options as well as a lot of great recipe ideas.